I am Akere Vidoshe, a civil engineer with ATS Training Center. I have more than 10 years experience in the practice of civil engineering, and I've been training for over 5 years. I'll be introducing you to the content of our training program at ATS. ATS is a center where we equip students and prepare them to face the challenge that a 3-year-old engineer should be able to take. And these are the contents of the program. We run the program through a series of classes, like between 8 to 10 classes. And in the first class, we introduce them to the training program and the softwares that they will be using. We focus on the use of Start Pro for structural design. And in the course of the training program, we give students a training software that they can use to practice what they learn at the center. Like I said, I'll quickly run you through the program. The first thing we do is we introduce students, we get them familiarized with the software, the basic things they need to know if they want to use Start Pro. And we introduce them also to the codes of practice, the relevant codes of practice that will be used for that are used in the industry. In the second class, we usually start with modeling of structural members, and we use reinforced concrete building design as a case study, because it's assumed that that's the familiar terrain that everybody can relate with based on what we learn in school. So we'll be doing a 4-story design case study, and we'll do it from start to finish. We'll start with modeling the members, the beams, the columns, the slabs in 3-dimensional space. Then we move on to loading the members. It's usually said that when you can model your structure successfully, the job is half done. So we spend time on modeling, then we proceed to loading of the structural frame, the dead load, life load, and the load combinations. We also teach students how to analyze their structure and retrieve the analysis results, the bending moments, the shear force, the reactions. Then we proceed to design, which is the other end of the sequence. You design your members and you create a report. Then we also introduce students to how to design the foundation with Start Foundation software. Yes. Yes, part of what we do also, we now proceed to design of structural steel members, and we use a design, we use warehouse design as a case study. Again, we follow the sequence, we model, we load, we analyze, and we optimize our designs. And we design our members to BS 5950, because again, that's what we're familiar with in this part of the world. This program, we enable students, like I mentioned earlier, to be able to do your design from start to finish, both reinforced concrete and structural steel members. And for both designs, each participant will be able to create a standard reporting, to create a standard report for their work. And lastly, we also introduce students to offshore designs and get them familiar with the offshore platform design. At the end of the program, the goal is that each participant will be able to design structure, both reinforced concrete and structural steel members without any problem. Thank you.